Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by making sure the basics are ready. A charged phone and a strong Wi-Fi connection so the download won't fail. Sign into the exact Google account that holds the backup, otherwise Android won't find it. Once signed in, go to Settings, System, Backup, and confirm backup is enabled. This ensures the backup metadata is visible. I'm guiding you now through the first actionable steps, so the restore source is correctly identified and available before you proceed to restoring data. Next, you'll perform the controlled restore. If your device is already set up, a factory reset is required. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, erase all data and follow prompts. During the initial setup, choose Restore from your Google account and pick the backup date you want. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi and allow app reinstalls and drive file downloads. This is why a stable connection matters. Once done, apps will queue and data will stream in automatically. Monitor progress in the setup screens. Finish by verifying core items, contacts, photos in Google Photos, Messages, and app-specific settings. If something's missing, don't panic. Open Google Drive Backups to confirm the backup exists and note its timestamp. That tells you whether data was saved. If restore fails, try these steps. Retry the restore, clear Google Play Store cache, or remove and re-add your Google account, then attempt restore again. These actions address common permission or sync hiccups and usually resolve incomplete restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.